Hello, today I thought we would do a little bit of potty training 101 with our puppies. So to get started, puppy training is very hard and can be difficult, but don't worry, with the right tools and the right setup guide, it can be an easy process. Just know that it takes time. So here are some beautiful little puppies we have here on the side. A little bit of our outline, we're going to go into introduction, gait training, power of treats, schedules, and accidents. So, first, starting off with our introduction, learning how to potty train your puppy is one of the first steps to having a long and happy life together. It can be exhausting and frustrating. That's what many pet owners do not understand. It's a time process. It's a time process that many puppies take up to 6 months to be fully potty trained, if not sooner. Most owners get upset when the puppy continues to have accident in the house, and most puppies end up going back to shelters because of this. This PowerPoint will give pet owners tips and tricks to mastering potty training. One of the best things I can recommend is gait training, crate training. You have to make it a positive experience to get them in there. Make it fun and play with the puppy in there with a toy. Uh, do tests and do little runs at a time. Have them sit there at a little bit of a time. Don't rush the process. And then, up until they can be in there an hour by themselves, if not longer. The most you can probably leave them in there is 3 to 4 hours just because of the potty training process. But one of the most important things is powers of treats. Praising a puppy for doing the right action. It will be best for everything and you will do it and it will make your life so much easier. Be enthusiastic in your praise, cheers, clap when praising with a treat in hand. As soon as they use the restroom outside, oh, thank you so much. That's so good, and rewarding them with a treat would be really nice. And then one of the best things you can do is have a schedule. One of the most important things to do when training your puppy is to put them on a potty schedule. It's all about timing when they wake up, when they eat, and you should do it about every 2 to 3 hours, and also when they're having a lot of play. At first it's a lot, but it will pay off. It will teach you about how to know when your puppy has to go to the bathroom, and mainly teach the puppy where to go and when it's time to go. And then moving on to one of our accidents. Do not hit them. Be patient and breathe. It is a very long process, but it will get better in time. The first 3 weeks are the hardest. The first month is the hardest, but it does get better from that. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.